All right, today we are going to be making chorizo and white bean ragu. So this is going to be from page 128 of New York Times bestselling authors, Leanne Brown's Good and Cheap. Now this is something that you can keep in your pantry, keep in the freezer, a couple of months at a time. You can make a huge batch of it. This is super versatile. Today we're going to be using some of the fresh pasta we made before. We're going to put it over that, but you can put it over grits, polenta, rice. Or eat it by itself like a chili. So first we're gonna start off with a little bit of oil in the pan. Gonna put our onions in. We're gonna let them cook until they're softened for about a minute. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic and jalapeno. Adding our chorizo, breaking that up. You don't want any large clumps. You can use the back of your spoon to sort of mash and break it up. All right, we're gonna add our tomatoes. A little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. Put our beans in there. Just give it a gentle stir. We don't want to break up our beans too much. All right, we're just going to cover and reduce this for about 5 minutes until it's got a nice sauce and the sausage is cooked through. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get our pasta ready. And as soon as we're getting around that 2-minute mark, we're gonna put our pasta in because it's only gonna take about 60 to 90 seconds. All right, our sauce is all ready. Nice and reduced. We've got our fresh pasta right out of the water. And again, with something like this, you've made the fresh pasta and put some in the freezer ahead of time. You've got some of this in the freezer. You just thaw it out in the microwave or on the stove very gently, and you can have dinner ready in 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and just ladle some over. I'm gonna finish it with some freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano. Delicious, super quick and easy after work meal. I hope you guys enjoy.